out.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, Hema, I love you very much, okay?
Uh-huh.
I want you to spell numbers for me from 0 to 30, okay? Spell 0.
C-E-R-O.
For?
0.
Good. Great job.
O-N-E 1.
2.
T-W-O 2.
3.
T-H-R-E-E 3.
4.
F-O-U-R 4.
5.
F-I-V-E 5.
6.
S-I-X 6.
7.
S-E-V-E-N 7.
8.
E-I-G-H-T 8.
9.
N-I-N-E 9.
10.
T-E-N 10.
11.
E-L-E-V-E-N 11.
12.
T-W-E-L-V-E 12.
13.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13.
14.
F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14.
15.
F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15.
16.
S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16.
17.
S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17.
18.
E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18.
19.
N-I-N-E T-E-E-N 19.
20.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20.
21.
I spelled 20, then I spelled 1.
Yeah.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. O-N-E 1.
So it is.
21.
Great job. Spell 22.
I spelled 20, then I spelled 2.
Okay.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-O 2.
23.
20 is like turn 22 now.
Yeah, spell 23.
Okay. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-H-R-E-E 3.
So it is.
23.
Spell 24.
I spelled 20, then I spelled 4, miss.
Sure.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. F-O-U-R 4.
So it is.
24.
Spell 25.
25.
Mm-hmm.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. F-I-V-E 5.
Great job. Spell 26.
F.
Spell 21st. Don't try to trick me.
Unless I'm so funny.
I know you are funny. Spell 26.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 6 now. S-A-X 6.
Great job. Spell 27.
I spelled 20 and then spell 7. Oh, please.
Okay, spell 20.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 20.
Spell 7.
S-E-V-E-N 7.
So it is.
27.
Great job. Spell 28.
T-W-E-N-T-Y 28 now. E-I-G-H-T 8.
So it is.
28.
Great job. Spell 29.
29.
Yeah.
TWENPY 20.
9.
NINE 9.
So it is
29.
Great job. Spell 30.
THIRTY 30.
Great job. And you know how to spell 31, right? You spell 30, then you spell
1,
32. You spell 30, then you spell
2,
33. You spell 30, then you spell
3.
Good job. So now you have to learn to spell 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay?
But
So we have to work on number 40. You have to know to spell.
40.
Once you know how to spell that, then you're going to know how to spell 41, 42.
42.
It is very easy. It is not hard. I will teach you, okay?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. You're going to know how to spell 40 tomorrow. Every day you're going to learn a new number, like 40, 50, 60. Okay? I'm very proud of you. For your age, you did excellent job.
So,
I'm a proud mommy. I'm very proud. I'm a proud mother, okay?
my dad is a proud man.
Of course, he is proud of you. He loves you a lot.
And he can hug me.
Of course.
Oh, thanks much.
You are welcome.
I know my daddy will hug me.
He loves you. And right now he at work.
But
I love you very much.
But daddy take my car.
Oh, Daddy took your car to work?
Yeah.
Okay, when Daddy come, tell him, you have to ask me for my car before you take my car.
Daddy will take his car back to work now.
Okay. Okay, I love you very much, cutie pie.
Bye.
Have a great day and be good, okay?
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.